But first, let's find out what some men don't want their girlfriends to catch them doing in their bedroom. That's right, playing the air guitar. The instrument that brings out the twit in every ageing adolescent. But travel north to sunny Finland and you'll find something quite remarkable.
This is my favorite move.
The air guitar has left the bedroom and is strutting its stuff quite openly in the street. And even odder, some of these airheads are girls. But stranger still, head into the hallowed lab of the Helsinki University of Technology in Finland and you'll find a group of graduate students, Juha, Timu and Aki, who are dedicated not only to bringing the air guitar out of the bedroom, but making it into a real instrument, capable of bending the ears of the older generation the world over.
So this is the prototype. So I have my virtual air guitar by my hands. I use the right hand for making plucks, and the left hand is used for making slides. And by the right hand, I also have a little whammy bar effect. So mix all this together with some air guitar attitude and you have your rock music. And you don't have to worry about playing wrong because the musical intelligence of the system takes care that everything fits nicely together.
It's pretty clever, but doesn't having all those wires connected to your gloves kind of stifle your cool? Welcome now to the wireless air guitar. The idea is that a camera tracks the movement of your hands and then works out their position against a virtual guitar in its memory. The closer your hands are together, the higher the notes.
Instead of using magnetic trackers with wiring, we're using computer vision.
OK, so even the artist at the time of writing known as Prince would not have chosen orange gloves. But there is a good reason for this fashion faux pas.
We chose orange because it's a color not usually found in clothes.
But what's really clever is the computer makes sure that what you're playing actually sounds good. Well, goodish. But how easy is it to play?
Check this.
This player has been on the guitar for exactly 20 seconds, and already the women are flocking to him. Other players who strummed away when the boys exhibited their system at the local science museum didn't have quite the same charisma. But that's one of the great things about their guitar. Even if you can't strut your stuff like Bon Jovi, with a click of a button, you can sort of sound a tiny bit like them.
One of the biggest things was that we added a solo mode where you can use the top 3 strings in the guitar to play solo modes. And the playing mode generally boosts your actions to make the sound more vibrant.
OK, that's enough of the beginners. Let's see the expert air guitarist rip. Ultimately, the 3 boys are going to hit the market with a system that can help you play a repertoire of classic guitar hits. Players will be able to strut their stuff just like guitar karaoke, but the computer will correct all the bum notes. Perhaps in the future, they'll even come up with a microphone that will make you sound like a lead singer. But sadly, this virtual rock star sounded so bad, we had to cut her sound out.